How to use the Onail Sunks Pro Professional Guide. Simply place your hand inside to start. It's that easy. The default mode is AI Smart Curing with a 75-second cycle. You've got 4 preset buttons for different gel types. Press the AI button to enable smart detection. Only the LEDs that detect nails will activate. The light follows your hand. Even upside down, the smart tracking keeps working. Press the AI button again to switch to non-AI mode. When AI disappears from the top left corner, all LEDs turn on for full hand curing. Full power, full coverage. Press the Wi-Fi button after startup. This is for future system upgrades. Step 1, scan the QR code on the page. After successful scanning, tap the Wi-Fi button. Make sure your Wi-Fi name and password match. Generate the QR code. Then place your phone inside the lamp. Tap the volume button for silent mode. Now you can fully focus on your nail art, zero distraction.
Onail, the apple of nails.